Now moving on, in the Odisha shocker, where a 15-year-old girl was set on fire by unidentified persons in Puri district on Saturday. The girl is said to be in critical condition now. She's been admitted to AIIMS Bhubaneswar. According to doctors, the girl suffered about 75% burn injuries, although she is able to speak. Now viewers, the horrific incident took place when the victim was on her way to a friend's house.
जैसे आपने देखा कि बर्न यूनिट के सामने डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स ने प्रोटेस्ट किया। प्रोटेस्ट के चलते बहुत शोर भी उन लोगों ने मचाया। उसके चलते जो यहाँ पे रोगी हैं, ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आए हैं, जो डॉक्टर्स हैं, रोगियों के जो अटेंडेंट्स हैं, सबको बहुत असुविधा का फेस करना पड़ा। तो दिन में एम्स ने एक नोटिस भी जारी किया था, सारे यहाँ पर सारे पिलर्स पे भी लगाया गया कि यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट अलाउड नहीं है और आप यहाँ पे ग्रुप बन के यहाँ पे मत बैठिए, शोर मत कीजिए, रोगी को, अटेंडेंट्स को और डॉक्टर्स को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। बट उसको उन्होंने नहीं माना। इवनिंग में फिर हमारे जो जोनल एसीपी हैं श्री तापस, वो एग्जीक्यूटिव मजिस्ट्रेट, उन्होंने डिक्लेयर किया यहाँ पे 163 BNSS। उसके बाद 50% लोग लगभग यहाँ से गए और 50% जो लोग नहीं गए उन लोगों को हमने उठाया यहाँ पे और कस्टडी में डिटेन किया।
Now let's walk you through the details of how this incident took place. According to the initial investigation, 3 unidentified motorcycle-borne youths intercepted the girl at around 9 a.m. at Bayabar village in Balanga police station area. This is when she was going to her friend's house. And then they forcibly took her to the banks of Bhargavi river, sprinkled an inflammable substance on her and then set her on fire. This is according to the initial investigation. Now the incident took place around 1.5 km from her house at Nuwa Gopalpur Basti and around 5 to 7 km from Balanga police station. Now following the incident, the miscreants fled the spot. Local people doused the fire and later took the victim to Pipli Government Hospital. This is where from she was shifted to AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Now a horrific incident coming to light, and reacting to this, former Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik also hit out at the ruling BJP government in the state. He said that Odisha is becoming highly unsafe for women. Remember, this incident comes after the Balasore incident.
जैसे बालेश्वर की हमारी बहन की जान गई इस मेडिकल में, इस लड़की का भी जान जाने की बहुत चांसेस है। इसलिए हम चाहते हैं कि आज रात को इसको एयरलिफ्ट किया जाए और दिल्ली लिया जाए एम्स में और उसको अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट मिले। अन्यथा इस एम्स में उसकी जान जाने की पूरी उम्मीद है और हमें इसी डर है कि इस लड़की के साथ भी न्याय नहीं होगा जिस तरह से बालेश्वर की लड़की के साथ न्याय नहीं हुआ।
जो पेशेंट है उनका तबीयत 72 आवर्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट, वो डॉक्टर ने भी बता दिया। लेकिन सबसे दिक्कत बात यह है कि जो वार्ड में वो पेशेंट रहता है, जो एडमिट हुआ है, वो पेशेंट के साथ बाकी 11 पेशेंट भी रह रहे हैं। उनके वो यूनिटी के सामने नाराबाजी करना, पॉलिटिकल ड्रामाबाजी करना, ये सब शोभा नहीं देता है। पहले उनका ट्रीटमेंट के लिए मुख्यमंत्री ने सुबह भी बोल दिए थे, अभी बोले हैं अगर जरूरत हो गई तो एयर लिफ्ट भी होगा। एम्स दिल्ली के साथ बातचीत चल रहा है।
Meanwhile, BJD and Congress workers held a protest outside AIIMS Bhubaneswar. This is where the victim is receiving her treatment. Some BJP workers were also present outside AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Remember, this is the protest taking place outside the hospital where the victim in the case is undergoing treatment. The victim, the 15-year-old who was set on fire, and according to doctors, her burn injuries are about 75% in the case, although she is able to speak. But massive outrage being witnessed outside the hospital by Congress and BJD workers. They are asking the government questions, they are asking for accountability. Remember viewers, this very incident of 15-year-old girl being set on fire comes after the Balasore incident, where a college student set herself on fire because she alleged she was being harassed by her professors. So it does raise questions about the safety of women in Odisha, due to which protests are now being witnessed outside the hospital. Let's listen in to the doctor, what he has to say.
We are in the resuscitation. Patient is 70 to 75% born, and the patient is now in resuscitation phase. That is, we are giving the fluid treatment, and with this fluid treatment, patient is little bit of patient is critical, but resuscitation phase is going on. So we have to look about 12 doctors, 2 nursing officers. We have made a committee, and this committee is looking after the condition of the patient, and accordingly we are planning our treatment.